Hey friends, if you wish to enable two-factor authentication on Valorant, then please watch this video. So the Valorant game itself does not have any two-factor authentication. It's a Riot client. So you'll have to open the Riot client app and log into it. Actually, you'll have to log in multiple times. So I have already logged in, but whenever it asks you for logging in, just use your account. I have logged in already. Now, at the top right corner on the Riot client, click on your profile picture here and select account security. You may have to log in once again. Okay, you may or may not, but in many cases you will have to. It will automatically redirect you to the two-factor authentication page, but if it does not, then on the list on the left hand side, you'll find this option for two-factor authentication. Select it and then click on enable. Okay, now it will always send an email to your email ID, and you will have to approve that email to enter your account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.